Thank you, Jeff, for that comment. So like he said, I actually had the idea to create a makerspace on campus. It was around the time, fall quarter this year, when I was assigned an essay on civic engagement. In the essay, we were assigned to think of ways of how we could be civically engaged within our major. And so, looking back at my first year, I realized that there really was no space on campus dedicated only to project making. As an engineering major, we do have club spaces, but oftentimes we often don't have enough tools, enough resources, all these little things that would really help us out, especially as a commuter student last year. It would have been really hard to carry on with my tools everywhere. And so thankfully we have the Creat'R Lab now with all the tools and resources we need to make the projects that we would like to make. And so the design of the makerspace is designed to be a safe learning environment for students from all majors, from all backgrounds, and from all technical levels. It's meant to be a space to introduce to students the current technologies that exist, that engineers and everyone are using to solve real-world problems, to create projects, and to express themselves creatively. And it's also meant to be a space where, for those who already have that skill set, to come in here, turn their projects into reality and just use the tools to the fullest potential. And what's also cool about the space is that it teaches students how to problem solve. And so as engineers, we're taught since day one how to overview a problem, pinpoint what's going on, and address each problem accordingly. And so this skill set is universal in the sense that it doesn't just apply to engineers, but it applies to everyone, in all situations, to all majors. And so through the hands-on learning workshops that students will be teaching here, they will be taught how to problem solve in all environments and in all situations. And so we're going to be hosting workshops like other people mentioned regarding programming, Internet of Things, wearable technology, entrepreneurship. And so once the students have gotten these skills, the skills how to 3D print, how to CNC machine, how to use virtual reality headsets, they'll be able to apply these skills to solve real-world problems. And so personally, I have a big extreme passion for combining the arts and engineering. A lot of these projects, like as in the Snowflake and other little projects, they were created with the mindset of both as an artist and as an engineer. So as an artist, in terms of like the aesthetics of it, how I want it to look like, as an engineer, I designed a lot of the components in SolidWorks, I coded in Arduino, and so a lot of things that combine both art and engineering into one medium. And so I'm excited to be hosting workshops beginning next week on Arduino. So I want to be teaching students how to combine art and engineering and how to make practical projects, as well as projects that you can keep, as well as projects that will take you all the way from the very basics all the way to a product consumer type scale. And so many of these projects, they combine skills learned from Arduino. Many senior design projects, like the one that Chris has, the UAV, the RoboSub, a lot of these projects, they combine a lot of skills that you learn from messing with Arduino. And so with this space, students will learn how to make, how to create, and how to collaborate. And we hope that through the Creat'R Lab, we'll be able to maybe spark an interest, hopefully spark an interest in many of these engineering applications, but if not, use the skills that you learn here and apply them elsewhere. And with that, I appreciate it. Thank you for allowing me to speak on behalf of the undergraduate students, and enjoy the Creat'R Lab.